Custom fields within Driven allow you to add additional information that needs to be input in certain areas of the software to fit your specific business needs. They're configured under Company Setup in the Custom Fields area. You can see the different options or areas of the software that are available to be added. All you have to do is enter a display name and pick a type for that custom field. Text is one of the more common ones. You can also, though, configure different drop-down options as well, either a multi-select or a single select option. Choosing one of those and then adding the 3 dots will allow you to input the choices that will be available in that drop-down box. Once these have been configured and saved, they will be available for your users to input data in that area of the software. We've configured one for an account here, so if I go Edit an Account under the Custom Fields area, I input my information, pick my choices here, and then those are available in visible workspaces and also to be configured on reports. So they're easily accessible for filtering information and adding on additional things that you need to track of.